Everyone, dito naman tayo ngayon sa ating update. At dahil napadaan ako dito, gusto ko lang din ipaalala sa ating lahat na ito po yung the law of God. So kung naniwala po tayo sa salita ng ating Panginoon, sa kanyang law, ito pong nasulat at ito'y paalala sa bawat isa sa atin. If you love God, God said, if you love me, keep my commandments. John 14:15. So, basahin natin yung command ng ating Panginoon. Dahil ito'y command, dapat natin itong malaman. Ating basahin mga guys. The law of God. Thou shalt have no other gods before me. Thou shalt not make unto thee any graven image or any likeness of anything that is in heaven above, or that is in the earth beneath, or that is in the water under the earth. Thou shalt not bow down thyself to them, nor serve them. Thou shalt not take the name of the Lord thy God in vain, for the Lord will not hold him guiltless that taketh his name in vain. Pang-apat, remember the Sabbath day to keep it holy. 6 days shall thou labor and do all thy work, but the 7th day is the Sabbath of the Lord thy God. And 5, honor thy father and thy mother, that thy days may be long upon the land which the Lord thy God giveth thee. 6, thou shalt not kill, thou shalt not commit adultery, thou shalt not steal, thou shalt not bear false witness against thy neighbor, thou shalt not covet thy neighbor's house, thou shalt not covet thy neighbor's wife, nor his manservant, nor his maidservant, nor his ox, nor his ass, nor anything that is thy neighbor's. God said, if you love me, keep my commandments. And that's all for our update for this video, and thank you for viewing, and God bless us all, and to God be the glory.